In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the WordPress quote block. We'll start inside the WordPress site editor. From your dashboard, open the editor and load the home template so you can place the quote right on your homepage preview. When the canvas opens, click in the area where you want the quote to appear. Use the plus button to open the block inserter, search for quote, and choose the quote block. You'll see a placeholder appear. Type your quote text into the main field. Press Enter if you see a smaller line beneath it, and add the citation or author there. If you don't see a separate line, just type the author's name after the quote and you can format it in a moment. Take a second to read it back. Short, punchy quotes look best. Avoid overly long passages that dilute the impact. With the quote block selected, use the floating toolbar to center the text so it stands out. Center alignment works nicely for featured statements and helps balance the page layout. Next, open the Settings sidebar on the right. In the Style controls, locate the Background option and pick a subtle color that complements your theme. Aim for strong contrast between text and background so the quote remains readable. You can always switch colors later. The change updates instantly in the preview. If you have a source link for the citation, select the author or source line. Click the link icon, paste the URL, and toggle the setting to open it in a new tab. Then click Apply. Linking the source is a good practice for attribution, and it keeps visitors on your site. Return to the Home Template view and scan the page to confirm the quote's placement, alignment, and color feel right among surrounding sections. Make any needed adjustments before finalizing. When you're happy with everything, click Save to store your changes. WordPress will confirm what's being updated. Proceed to finalize. To make the change live for your visitors, click Launch. Your update is now published on your site. That's it. You've inserted a quote block, entered the text and citation, centered the layout, applied a background, added a link that opens in a